Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're revisiting a story that shocked California back in 2009, the case of Tylar Witt. Once just a teenager at the center of a chilling murder, Tylar's life has taken a dramatic turn since then. So, more than a decade later, where is Tylar Witt now? Let's break it all down. Tylar Witt was only 14 years old when her name hit national headlines. She was the daughter of Joanne Witt, and their relationship had grown strained and complicated. At the time, Tylar was secretly dating 19-year-old Stephen Boston Culver. Joanne disapproved of the relationship, even contacting police because of the age gap, which created deep conflict in their household. In June 2009, Tylar and Culver carried out a plan that ended with Joanne's death, a shocking crime that stunned the community of El Dorado Hills. After Joanne Witt's murder, both Tylar and Culver were arrested. Tylar eventually struck a deal with prosecutors. In exchange for testifying against Culver, she pled guilty to second-degree murder. At just 16 years old, she was sentenced to 15 years to life in prison. Culver, meanwhile, was convicted of first-degree murder and sentenced to life without parole. Tylar spent years behind bars at the Central California Women's Facility in Chowchilla, where she lived most of her young adult life. Where is Tylar Witt now? In August 2022, after serving more than a decade, Tylar Witt was granted parole. The parole board determined that she had shown enough growth and rehabilitation to be released. Since then, she has stepped back from the spotlight, living a much quieter life. While she's no longer incarcerated, her movements and details about her day-to-day life remain mostly private, a likely choice after such a widely publicized case. She did give at least one interview following her release, reflecting on her past and the consequences of her decisions, but overall, she has stayed out of public view. Today, Tylar Witt is working to rebuild her identity and move forward under parole supervision. Tylar Witt's story is a haunting reminder of how young lives can spiral into tragedy. From a teenager wrapped up in a dangerous relationship to a woman now given a second chance, her journey is filled with lessons about choices, consequences, and the possibility of change. While she has left prison life behind, the past will always follow her, and the question remains, how will she define this new chapter of her life?